Hello everyone, I'm Brandon with Lenovo and I'm here today with the M93P small form factor desktop. Today we're going to be replacing the system fan. This process will take about 15 minutes and it should be easy enough for anyone to do. There are no tools required to do this. Before we continue, we need to make sure that we're protected against electrostatic discharge or ESD. Make sure to shut down your computer and disconnect all cables and accessories from the system. For more information, watch our Understanding Electrostatic Discharge video by clicking the link in the description. And now that we're ready, let's get started. To remove the computer cover, we must remove 2 thumb screws in the back of the machine. The first thumb screw and the second thumb screw. Then we're going to press down on the release button and slide the cover towards the rear of the chassis and remove it. Now we're going to pull outward on the clips to release the bezel. Now we're going to swing the front bezel open like a door and remove it. And now we're going to remove the heatsink fan duct, which is done by pulling these 2 latches apart and lifting the fan duct out of the system. So now we need to open the drive bay assembly. To do so, you just press inward on the latch marked with the blue touch point and pivot the drive bay assembly upwards until the latch springs into place. Now we're going to disconnect the fan cable from the system board. Now we're going to remove the cable from the cable guide. You just pull back the clip on the cable guide and open the guide and remove the cable. Now I'm going to reach into the chassis and grasp the system fan from behind and pull on the rubber grommets and thread them through the holes in the front of the chassis. Then I'll remove the fan from the system. Here we have our new system fan. Now we're going to place the fan into the chassis, aligning the rubber grommets with the screw holes on the front of the chassis. Then we're going to stretch the rubber grommets until they're thin enough to thread through the front holes on the chassis. Now we're going to install the fan cable into the guide. You just thread the cable underneath the guide and press down until it locks into place. Now we're going to connect the fan cable to the system board. To close the drive bay assembly, we need to press inward on this latch marked with the blue touch point and pivot the drive bay assembly downward until it latches into place. To replace the heatsink fan duct, align it with the fan and then drop it down until the 2 latches on the sides click into place. When replacing the front bezel, there are 3 hinge clips that we want to align with the 3 holes on the inside of the chassis. You're going to line those up and then close the front bezel like a door. We're going to press inward on the clips to secure the front bezel. When replacing the computer cover, we want to assure that we're lining up the tabs on the cover with the slots in the chassis. Just kind of place the cover down onto the chassis and slide it forward. Finally, we replace 2 thumb screws in the rear of the machine. First thumb screw and the second thumb screw.